some employers, if you join immediate basis, they will give you bonus also. 1,50,000 I got last time, so bonus 2,50,000 bonus. 2,50,000 from IBM. Okay, they given me the bonus. So if you join immediately, okay, if you not join immediately, you won't get the bonus. That is also factor. That's the reason my plan is once you finish up, see, doing configuration is different, learning the things is different, and attending interview is different, and doing job is different. So you need to understand these three things. Okay. So doing job is completely depends upon your communication, presentation, delivery, and subject, and email writing, and how you mingle with your colleagues, seniors. These are all factors in the job. Okay, but see this one like interview process. Interview process is just like theoretical preparation, and understanding the subject, understanding the process, understanding the company requirement, and so how we are approaching to the interviewer, and so we need to give the confidence to the interviewer that we will definitely do in the job. That way, you need to present yourself to the interviewer. This is presentation, communication, delivery. These three factors are very important to crack the job. Okay, so here no configuration, no things are no other things are required for to cracking the interview. Nowadays, cracking the interview is very difficult because jobs, it's a recession is going on. So many people lay off from the companies. Some people are terminating. It's a great challenge to get job also. That's the reason. So what I'm saying. So once you join into company, then automatically within 3 months your job will be permanent based upon your performance. Okay, so they will make your job permanent based upon your. So after 3 months your job will be permanent. So there is a very less chances to remove you. So but if you not perform well within these 3 months, if you're not understanding the things properly, not able to communicate the management and not able to resolve in the tickets, or not able to communicating in the team meeting calls, then you will be rejected for the 3 months. Within 3 months. So that's the reason. So first focus is to get job. In outside is a for getting job 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs also charging for backdoor jobs and proxies and all. Okay, that is a time waste. Okay, so don't go for that. Don't waste your time. So putting that huge amount and giving you surrender to that proxies and backdoor job people. That is not required. So for you, if you need, if you prepare, if you start preparation, so you will finish up in 40 to 50 days. Then you can crack the interview easily. So I will tell you so how to prepare, and I will tell you some strategies, tips, tricks to crack the interview. Don't worry. So just in an interaction group, so we have presentations always going on, and I will tell you strategic plan. So which topics you need to make first, take first, second, third, fourth, like that. So I will tell you the topics list. Okay, and you focus only that topics. I will give you some time frame for each topic. How much time for this time for this topic will take? I will give you that assignments. Okay, so you prepare like that, then definitely you will crack the interview in real time. You will sustain. Okay, so and one more thing is, so far what you have learnt, that is just like understanding the SAP perspective. You see, as you are learning SAP standard, but in real time, so you will have entire customizations. Okay, customization means complete GT codes, G tables, G reports. Okay, and interfaces, new interfaces. These are all things will comes into picture. So that case, you will have to take KT plan, or you have some experience. Then you will survive in real time. Okay, so that's the reason. So within 3 months, so your destiny will be decided whether you will be go on to the next company, or you will be stay with this company, and what is your performance, what is your presentation, and where you are lacking. These are all things will be uh, comes into picture only once you join into company only. Okay, so definitely you will struggle for 3 months, but after 3 months you should understand at least the process. Okay, doing job is different, getting interview is different, and cracking interview is different, and learning is different. What you have learned here, that may or may not be there in the job also. It depends. Sometimes they will assign you another art to the revenue recognition work, or contract accounting, travel management. or PS project system or SD model or MM model, we cannot expect what kind of work they will give you. Just now you understand the process, right? So it's just like what is what you should understand, right? So you understand what is what, but what based upon this what is what, so you need to analyze the things next onwards. So after the end of the session, so after the end of the training process, so you are the person, you need to verify and you need to research and you need to make a Google and you need to check YouTube and you need to see the blogs and you need to get any real-time scenarios which are available in the respective portals, and you need to join into the Facebook, you need to join into the LinkedIn profiles, groups, etc. That is your duty. Okay, so we have provided so the knowledge which is what completely, but the standard which you need to acquire that start from the end of the training only. Within 90 days, nobody will be perfect, nobody will be expert, right? You want to be expert in SAP field, you want to start any company, you want to establish as a SAP freelancer. So then it's a better choice is to make a research, to make a to browse the Google websites, blogs, okay, and read the other contents and books. These are all things. And once you join into company, that rich experience will make you more fit to the companies, other companies. These are all factors. Okay, so nobody will train you within the 4 days. If anyone will train you 5 lakhs, 5 months, 6 months, 10 months, even 12 months, okay, there is no use unless until you work in companies. Okay, what we are discussing here, just like configuration, standard posting and all. But in real time, the process should be different, and the complete areas and the way of learning exposure and everything is different. So that's the reason. What my suggestion is, once the end of the training, I will tell you a strategic plan. So how you can go to the interview and which areas you need to prepare well. And so if you not acquire that skill set during the training, so how you can manage yourself to the interviewer and which areas you need to stress more and how to brush up your skill set and everything I will tell you two workshops in two workshops. So that is like I am taking 25 workshops. That is different, and these two workshops are different. Okay, so that is completely based upon the revisions. Revisions like what we like FIDMM integration, what kind of interview question they will ask. Okay, that's fine. But here, what I am telling you, so here I will take another two workshops for you only for this batch. So that two workshop is very impressive, and definitely you will say after end of the training. So I definitely do each and everything. So and I don't need any other trainings, and I will research and I will make complete each and everything. That way you will get confidence.